Sunday morning, rise and shine. Beautiful views of Frederick, Maryland this morning. Pink tinge to the sky. Michelle, I got my Christmas tree yesterday, and it was a gorgeous day to be outside picking it out.
And I saw lots of people actually outdoors yesterday hanging up the lights, and they didn't let a little bit of the windy conditions bother them. We had sunshine. It was gorgeous. We get another round of that for today. In fact, I think today you might find is a little bit more pleasant than yesterday because we don't have the wind factor in place. So sunny and pleasant. It's seasonable once again. Temperatures will be a couple of degrees above average, but then we're leaning to widespread rain overnight and becoming pretty steady as we head into our Monday. On top of that, you're dealing with some pretty strong gusty winds, could be damaging at times. And also we do have the potential to see some of those storms. And then on the backside of that, areas to the west, the far west in Maryland, could even see some snow. Yes, the S word. So let's talk about current temps across the area because it is pretty cold when you wake up this morning. You need the layers, the heavy coat, start your car early. I had the scarf around my neck. It is 25 right there in Martinsburg. Good morning to you. 28 for Frederick, seeing 26 in Gaithersburg. D.C., we're right around 38 degrees. Annapolis, a little bit cooler by the water, about 36 in Baltimore, right on the freezing mark. So winds are calm and they're light across the area. This will be the case as we head throughout the day, and then they'll start to shift and come out of the south, all ahead of our next weather maker. So even though we're clear right now across the area, not even much for cloud coverage to really track. You look all the way down to the south there, and you look into the western Gulf, all across Louisiana, pushing through Mississippi, that will head up toward the Tennessee Valley. All of that rain headed in our direction. So we have high pressure for right now that will give us plenty of sunshine for today. Temperatures will be in the 50s, so it's pretty pleasant out there. We don't even actually start seeing the cloud coverage creep in here until later tonight. So with that being said, I think we'll actually trap some of the heat from today, and temperatures will pretty much bottom out into the mid to upper 40s across the area. But after the midnight hour, clouds will start to fill in. So will the showers around 1 a.m. Look at this, your morning commute. Heavy pockets of rain indicated by those yellows and those oranges that you see all across the area, up and down I-270 and all along 95. You'll be dealing with some pretty heavy showers, even out towards 66. Very steady rain that will continue all throughout the morning. So I think with everything all said and done, I think the showers start to wrap up around 8, 9 o'clock at night. On top of the rain, we're dealing with some pretty windy conditions. Check out the Futurecast for wind gusts, 30 miles per hour plus throughout the day for tomorrow. So it's the wind, it's the rain, and we could be dealing within those heavy pockets of rain some pretty strong storms that could lead to some damaging winds. We could even see a little bit of some flooding across the area. So we'll continue to monitor that for you. Over the next 48 hours, looking like this is the output, maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain. But on the back side of this system, colder air rushing in across the region. So you're looking at West Virginia, Garrett County, also down towards Pendleton. Parts of those regions could see snowfall throughout Monday evening, all the way even till Wednesday, accumulating snowfall out to the West Pittsburgh, maybe over 4 inches, and about Cumberland, maybe Allegheny County, just over ½ an inch. But I do think Garrett County could squeeze out several inches. Maybe you're looking at 3 inches of snow. We'll keep track on that as well. 7-day forecast looks like this. Once we get through the rain and the thunder and the windy conditions, it is blustery and cold here for your Tuesday, and then we start to clear out. I think actually Thursday might be our best day of the week. And just a reminder, you can get those real-time weather updates anytime for free with the Fox 5 weather app. Just download it, and it's right there in the palm of your hand. Tom?
All right, thank you.